Today's video shows you a brand new AI plugin that lets you generate articles, images, and rewritten content inside your own WordPress site in one click with zero API cost. If you're tired of expensive tools, slow writers, and content shortages, this might be the biggest shortcut you plug into your business this year. Link is below, and the bonuses I'm giving away are absolutely insane. Fresh A.I is shockingly good for anyone who wants fast content creation, without hiring writers, paying for image subscriptions, or opening an OpenAI account. You get 3 powerful tools in one: text to article, text to image, and one-click rewriter. No limits, no API keys, no complications. For the price they're offering right now, it's easily one of the most useful WP plugins I've tested this year. Fresh A.I is a 3-in-1 AI content engine built directly into your WordPress dashboard. It's made for bloggers, affiliate marketers, niche site owners, product reviewers, beginners who don't want technical headaches, anyone who wants unlimited content without monthly fees. It solves the biggest problem most beginners face. I don't know how to create content or keep my website updated. Fresh A.I gives you unlimited articles, images, rewrites niche posts, recipe posts, review posts, and more, all inside your own website. Alright, on the screen now, you're looking at the Fresh A.I dashboard. At the top, you have the 3 main tools: AI Text to Article, AI Image Creator, AI Rewriter. Let me show you how each section works. Inside the Text to Article tab, you simply enter any keyword. For example, travel tips for Japan. Click Generate, and in seconds, you get a complete, fresh article written by GPT-powered AI. It even supports 50+ languages, and you can import the content straight to your WordPress post with one click. Next, the Image Creator tab. Just type a keyword like modern business logo or healthy breakfast photo, hit Generate, and Fresh A.I instantly creates unique images using Google's Nano Banana engine with no API costs. Those images are automatically stored in your media library, and the Rewriter tool lets you paste any content and instantly turn it into a brand new, rewritten article. Perfect for refreshing old posts or creating multiple variations. Everything works fast, clean, and without leaving your website. Front end, Fresh A.I 2.0. You get all 3 tools: text to article, text to image, and one-click rewriter. No API key needed. Unlimited usage. You can choose personal license, use on 3 sites, developer license, use on unlimited sites, plus client sites. OTO2, Fresh A.I traffic. Copy-paste one line of text and unlock a simple traffic booster that pushes more visitors to your website automatically. Perfect for beginners who need more eyeballs. OTO3, Fresh A.I video, automatically embeds relevant video content into every article you publish. More engagement, longer watch time, and stronger SEO. All upgrades are optional, but they multiply the results you get from Fresh A.I. When you grab Fresh A.I through the link below, you'll unlock my exclusive App Verdict bonus vault. These bonuses turn Fresh AI into a full money-making content machine. WP Slideshow Master. Create attention-grabbing slideshows that boost engagement. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your site and reduce bounce rate instantly. Lead Book Generator. Auto-sync Facebook lead ads with your autoresponder. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails for urgency. Conversion Equalizer. Increase your Google Ads conversion performance. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across funnels without rebuilding. Action Poll Plugin. Segment your audience with interactive polls. Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for better SEO rankings. Website Pouch Pro. Hide and reveal banners or special offers instantly. Slide Up Bar Plugin. Add high-converting slide-up LED bars to your site. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Plug-and-play niche sites for traffic and monetization. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest posting for free long-term traffic. These bonuses alone are worth hundreds, and they fit perfectly with Fresh AI because they help you get more traffic, more leads, and more sales. But these bonuses are only available for the next 48 hours or until the first 25 buyers claim them. Fresh AI is one of the quickest ways to build content-rich websites without the cost of writers, image tools, or monthly AI subscriptions. If you struggle with creating fresh posts, ranking on Google, or keeping your website active, this is the easiest shortcut you'll find. Hit the link below, grab Fresh AI, and lock in your bonus bundle before it expires. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest tool breakdowns. After you purchase, send your receipt to the email shown on the bonus page to unlock all your bonuses instantly. Check the link below, and I'll see you inside the members area.